Gonna say the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Now, hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over here is the producer of the show, or whatever you want to call him, Michael Lyons. You want to say hello, Michael?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And today, we're going to sing a song by none other than John Denver. It turns out we got kind of a lot of John Denver fans who watch the show, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so this is Country Roads by John Denver. Get up here, man.
All right. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, glowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. Take me home, down country roads. Take me home, down country roads. I don't think that's the name of the song. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. Oh, leave your thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Oh, so, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NanaBOOZHOO.
Yay!
These things you keep, you better throw them away. You want to turn your back on your soulless days. Once you were tethered, but now you are free, because that was the river, and this is the sea. Now if you're feeling weary, if you've been alone too long, maybe you're feeling suffering from a few too many plans that have gone wrong. And you're trying to remember how fine your life used to be, running around banging your drum like it's 1973. Well, that was the river. This is the sea. Now you say you got trouble. You say you got pain. You say you got nothing left to believe in, nothing to hold on to, nothing to trust, nothing but chains. You've been scouring your conscience, raking through your memories, scouring your conscience. You know that you once held the key. Well, that was the river. This is the sea. Now I can see that you're wavering as you try to decide. You've got a war in your head, and it's tearing you up inside. You're trying to make sense of something that you just don't see. Trying to make sense now. You know that you once held the key. Well, that was the river. And this is the sea. Now here there's a train. It's coming on down the line. It's yours if you hurry. You've got still enough time. And you don't need no ticket. And you don't pay no fee. No, you don't need no ticket. And you don't pay no fee. Because that was the river. And this is the sea. Behold, the sea. Inashke, behold. Gitchigami, the sea. Oh,
I'm ready whenever you are.
Oh, okay. Let me just grab my guitar here.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Today we're just going to do one song, and Michael wrote it, and it's called Natasha. Who knew? Go ahead.
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. when I lost my job just the other day. And like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow, for all we know it just might snow. And what'll I do? What do we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we aren't so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I'm so sorry, I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch you. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. But I'm so sorry, I'd never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Wow, that's a sad song. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's Let's dance, for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway, under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. I can't believe the news today. I can't close my eyes and make it go away. How long must we sing this song? How long, how long? 'Cause tonight we can be as one tonight. Tonight, tonight. Broken bottles under children's feet, bodies strewn across a dead-end street. But I won't heed the battle call. It puts my back up against the wall. How long must we sing this song? How long, how long? 'Cause tonight we can be as one tonight. Tonight, tonight. Sunday, bloody Sunday, Sunday, bloody Sunday, Sunday, bloody Sunday, Sunday, bloody Sunday. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. There's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I'll tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. Holding up at a wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Then close your eyes and I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to leave alone. About the time I won't have to say I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to know.
Oh, that was really sad, but great.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Oh, I love this song.
Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. This is dedicated to whoever you're thinking about.
Yeah, huh?
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, or a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cold breeze, cold comforts for change? Did you exchange a walk-on part of the war for a lead role in a cage? I would wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. How we found the same old fears. I wish you were here. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, yeah. I think I know what time it is. It's time to get started. Welcome to what? BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. What'd you say? I said, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Even Wayne Dum G, yeah, oh my no. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Wow. Niemand Wayne Dum G, yeah, no man. Niemand Wayne Dum G, yeah, no man. Niemand Wayne Dum G, yeah, no man. Thank you and good night. Good night. We love you. Gizaka E.